Hi everyone, it's nice to meet you all again with another video in the UK series. This is the symbol of the Supreme Court of United Kingdom. The photo what you see on the screen shows the entrance to the Supreme Court of United Kingdom, and you get to see the symbol of the Supreme Court on your left hand side of the photo. And on the right hand side of the entrance to the Supreme Court of United Kingdom, you get to see the symbol which says Judicial Committee of the Privy Council. This photo shows you the inside view of a court hall in the Supreme Court of United Kingdom. There's a place for the general public to sit and watch the progress of the case or the hearing which is happening in the Supreme Court of United Kingdom. This photo is also of the inside view of a court hall in the Supreme Court of the United Kingdom. You get to see the chairs where the advocates sit and the place where the visitors sit. You get to see this picture in the museum of the Supreme Court of the United Kingdom, and it speaks about the justices. And there was a change which was brought in the year 2005 by way of a Constitutional Reform Act, based on which the selection process for the United Kingdom's most senior judges was made. When a vacancy arises, a selection commission is established, and it consists of a president and a deputy president of the Supreme Court and a representative from each of the Judicial Appointments Commission in England and Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland. At least one member of the commission must be a non-lawyer. The candidates are considered based on the merit. The commission makes a recommendation to the Lord Chancellor, and the Lord Chancellor then passes to the Prime Minister the recommendation, who makes a formal recommendation to Her Majesty the Queen. There is a very important or interesting fact which we need to know. There are senior judges who just don't wear the robes or the judges' robes. Whereas in many of the Commonwealth countries, the judges, when they come to the court or when they sit in the dais, they generally come with their robes. And they do wear these robes during a great ceremony or an important occasion like a state opening of Parliament. In this picture, you get to see the legal system which is operating in United Kingdom as well as the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court of United Kingdom deals with devolution issues. What is the devolution issue? When the executive and the legislative authorities in Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland have acted or proposed to act within their powers, and if they have failed to comply with any of the duty imposed on them, in that case it is called as devolution issue, and this can be dealt by the Supreme Court of United Kingdom. Devolution cases can reach the UK Supreme Court in three ways: through a reference from someone who can exercise relevant statutory powers, such as the Attorney General, and the second way is through an appeal from certain higher courts in England and Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland, and the third way is through a reference from certain appellate courts. If you're planning to practice in UK in the legal profession, then what are the options which are available to you? You can be a barrister or a solicitor. But wait, what is the difference between a barrister and a solicitor? Who's a barrister? Barrister is a legal professional who offers advice, and he represents his clients in the court or a tribunal or any other place which is authorized by law to be represented by a barrister. A barrister can specialize in one particular area of law, or he can have a general practice covering various areas of law. To put in a simple manner, a barrister tends to practice as an advocate who represents his clients in the court. Barristers are specialist legal advisors and courtroom advocates. They are independent and they advise their clients on the strengths and weaknesses of the case. Barristers generally do not get in contact with the general public as much as the solicitors. A solicitor prepares the documents which are required for a court case, and he advises the clients about the case as well as those which are not falling under the category of the case. However, a solicitor can obtain the right of audience, which enables him to make a representation in the court. Many solicitors have the rights of audience, but still, they prefer to work behind the scene. They advise the people or the clients who come with certain legal problems, and they negotiate, they discuss with the parties and try to reach an agreement or try to come to a conclusion with respect to the problems for which they come to that particular solicitor. And they also draft and review various legal documents, and they're more into kind of drafting work. After the new Supreme Court of United Kingdom in October 2009, the title of the solicitor has been changed from Solicitor of the Supreme Court to the Solicitor of the Senior Courts of England and Wales. If you want to know how to become a barrister, that's a lawyer, in the United Kingdom, these are the steps which you need to follow. The first step, you need to complete your law degree. Or if you are a non-law degree graduate, you need to complete your conversion course, which is called a graduate diploma in law, GDL. And the next step is you need to complete your bar course aptitude test successfully. And the third step is you need to join an Inn of Court. There are 4 Inns of Court, namely Mid Temple, Inner Temple, Gray's Inn, and Lincoln's Inn. And the fourth step is after completing the bar professional training course, you become an unregistered barrister. You need to complete the bar professional training course to become an unregistered barrister. Step 5. Complete the next stage, which is a pupillage, practical training which you get, where you're trained by an experienced barrister. If that particular barrister certifies that you're qualified to become a barrister, you're ready to work as a barrister, he needs to certify this. And the last step is 6th step, apply and obtain a practicing certificate. Once you obtain the practicing certificate, you are a barrister. Let's see what is the work of a solicitor. What kind of work does he do? Solicitors, they generally are the first point of contact for the clients or the individuals or the businesses or the corporates who seek legal advice and assistance. And these solicitors help the client to identify the issues and find legal solutions to their clients and the problems within the framework of the common law. Solicitors generally manage the client and the legal issue from the beginning till the end. The solicitors assist in everyday issues, they promote the business, they protect the rights of individuals as well as the corporates or the business people. They support the great community. Let's try to know what is the average pay scale of solicitors in UK. The base salary is ranging from £25,000 to £64,000, and if they get a bonus, it could be around £423 to £10,000, and if they get a profit sharing, then they could get 155 pounds to 24,000 pounds. And if they get a commission, it could be around 98 pounds to 18,000 pounds. And total pay could vary around 25,000 pounds to 68,000 pounds. The average salary for a solicitor is around 37,564 pounds per year. And these details were obtained from the website which is given below. If you want to have a look at that, you can just go and see the website and get the detail. I hope you do like the video. If you like the video, please do press the thumbs up button. And if you want to say something, do comment in the video. And please do share the channel with your friends. And it could be of great help to them if they want to have a practice in United Kingdom or if they want to study in United Kingdom. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I personally thank you for watching this channel.